Hello everyone, welcome to Flavors of My Roots. Today I'll be making coxinha. Coxinha is a very popular Brazilian street food. You'll find coxinha at every birthday parties and every bar. Coxinha is an awesome snack. I'm gonna start by making the filling. Here I have 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 small onion, 4 cloves of garlic. We're going to saute this for about 5 minutes. 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, about 1.5 to 2 pounds of shredded chicken. You can use any part of the chicken. I'm using chicken thighs, shredded chicken thighs cooked in chicken broth. For the dough, I'm going to add 2 cups of milk, 1 cup of chicken broth from the chicken that I cooked, 2 tablespoons full of ghee butter. I like to use ghee. 2 cubes of chicken bouillon, which is gluten-free. I was able to find this at Amazon since this recipe is going to be gluten-free. So you are going to boil the milk with the chicken broth. The milk and the broth is boiling. I'm gonna add salt to taste. I'm gonna turn it to low. And I'm going to add 3 cups of flour. So you have to cook the dough. Make sure your heat is low. You are going to cook this on low heat for about 10 minutes, constantly stirring. I'm going to move the dough to a very cold surface and make sure you clean that surface. I'm gonna put right here to cool down. While the dough is hot, you'll do this to your dough until it cools down so you can work with your hands. Now the dough has cooled down, I'm gonna start to work with my hands. I'm gonna put a little bit of flour here. You're going to knead this for about 5 minutes. I'm going to put my coxinha together. You can make as big or as small as you want. First, you're gonna make like a ball like this. You're gonna open like a disc like this in your hand. Then you are going to take the chicken mixture and you are going to start, you do this. You are going to form this kind of into a teardrop. You keep on doing, pushing, and then I think the top is not that great. So keep until it forms a nice teardrop. Now you're going to dip into the egg wash, then into the breadcrumbs. With this recipe, I was able to make 16. As you can see, they are not all the same size, but it's okay. They're usually fried. I'm going to bake half in the oven and the rest I'm going to air fry. I managed to put 6 coxinhas into the air fryer. I'm going to cook this 400 degrees for 16 minutes. So the coxinha from the air fryer is ready. I'm going to wait for the other one that's cooking in the oven. Sauce. Now it's time to taste. Here I have the air fried one. The air fried is crispier. I'm gonna try this with some homemade we made with the Carolina Reaper. On the next video, I'll be showing to you how to make the sauce. Really good. Now, I'm going to try the baked one. They're both amazing, but I prefer the air fried one. Cheers.